Welcome back to episode number whatever it is of the adventures of Daily Biker Boy and Motomonk India. Oh, fuck. He almost hit a pigeon, was it, or a crow?
We make you bang, blood.
I'm fast as fuck, boy!
आगे में 29 पीछे 32 टड़ा Well, what is up, people? This is your boy Abhimanyu, and we're off again for another Sunday morning ride. It's been very long since I've done one of these Sunday rides, but Motomonk got his bike fixed. Finally got his bike fixed. I might as well just put on my hazard lights because the visibility is low and I don't want to get hit from behind.
Give me your attention, baby.
So yeah. Pollution, sir. बहुत ज़्यादा. Pollution, solution. Solution. बहुत. देखो टेस्ट आ रहा है पता. Solution का. ये बदतमीजी बदलो. चलती हुई बाइक में अगर मैं he knows my intentions. Well, it's been a while since Motomonk and me have ridden together. अरे तुझे क्या हो गया, तू क्यों शर्मा रहा है? Yeah, it's been a while because Motomonk does not get his bike fixed. It's been lying like trash, collecting dust for the past month, and it's only yesterday that I forced him to get his bike serviced, or otherwise it wouldn't have been serviced at all. Fucking hell! The visibility is really poor right now. Whoops.
The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a ass like that.
नहीं क्या नहीं क्या मैं नहीं आ सकता राइड में. अरे रुक जाओ भैया, बड़ी जल्दी है आपको. भाई ज्यादा जल्दी है इसे. वहां पे भी पैं कर रहा था. मेरे सामने ऑटो पलटा भाई. अंडरटेकर चीरती हुई एक CBR 250R। कहाँ रह गए? आ गए। That Valentino Rossi look. Zarco was very aggressive. Oh, that reminds me. Today is the last round of MotoGP. Man, it's gonna be epic. By far, Marquez has already won. It's just formality now, but it would be fun to watch. Also, if you're a keen MotoGP follower, then Nick Harris, the voice of MotoGP, the commentator that has been entertaining us for such a long time, is finally retiring. This is his final race as a commentator. He is retiring after this. I personally am quite sad about it, because the excitement that guy gives to the MotoGP, man, is just on another level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
Hey, Labrador! I love dogs. Absolutely love them.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
ये सब बाइक्स इतनी मैं इसका मैं कह रहा हूँ ये सब बाइक्स इतनी कॉमन हो गई हैं आजकल, मतलब देख के कुछ लगता ही नहीं। करीब है यार। हम हद ही करीब है भाई, सबके पास आती जा रही है, हम ही यहाँ पे फंसे हुए हैं। मतलब रोड पे भी नहीं ले सकते। सही सही। हले 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 लो अब करो। हले 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 डुन डुन डुन। ये देखो अभी एक चीज दिखाता हूँ, रुको। Holy fuck, there's a fucking huge wall right there that we cannot even see right now.
Yeah.
This place has changed since the last time I came here. I don't think this construction was there. Seems like I haven't been to GFR in forever, man. Such a failed attempt, man. दिया मेरे को, गांड फट गई मेरी। I wasn't looking in the mirror. गांड फट गई। Fucking hell. Oh. So we're leaving from the dhaba right now. We came here after Throttle Shuttle. We ate at Throttle Shuttle, but we left for a ride and we were still hungry, so we came here, had some more, and now it's time to head back home.
That's all, folks.